120 gram of an organic compound that contains only carbon and hydrogen gives 330 gram of carbon dioxide and 270 gram of water on complete combustion. So what is the percentage of carbon and hydrogen? Percentage of hydrogen is 2 by 18 into mass of water divided by mass of जो भी कंपाउंड है into 100 and percentage of carbon 12 by 44 mass of CO2. Okay, so percentage of hydrogen is 1 by 9. 2 by 18 means 1 by 9 into 270 by 120. 30 by 120 into 100. So it is 1 by 4 into 100 means 25. So obviously other one there is no need to calculate. It is 25, the other one is 75. Because there are only carbon and hydrogen. So option number D is correct.